Hey everybody, welcome back to Paul Goes Outdoors. It's your old buddy Paul. We're out here at Sportsman's Lake. We're fishing in front of a storm, and we already put one on the bank. Nice little bass, little old bitty feller. Take a picture. All right, let's get you on the water with me. Get you set up in the chest rig, and we will be getting after it right now. All right, everybody, we are back. We are still at Sportsman's Lake, and it's still getting ready to storm. And it's been probably 2 or 3 hours since I filmed the intro to this video. I caught one other little bass right then when I got off the camera and called my wife. While I was talking to her, I caught another one, but it got off at the bank, and I walked around the lake. I'm over here in the corner. Train's going by, and I will wait for the train to finish. I have fished around. I spot fished. I threw it a group of bass over yonder for probably 15 minutes. I never could get one of them to take it. I've had one follow me all the way up to the bank over here since I've been here in this spot, and nothing. I think we're gonna give this little pink grubby curly tail grub thing a little bit more time, and then we're gonna change him out to something else. I have a few more baits in my tackle box now that are a little bit closer to this. Oh, something hit me. A little bit closer to this. But something hit us again. You just gotta take it. Take it. Don't just hit it. Strike at it. Take it. And toss him out there. Let him sink a little bit. Bring him through the water column. There we go. And that's how it's done. Bluegill. All right, get on back. Well, still think we're gonna change that pink grub out. Nothing like entertaining the folks. All right, we're gonna give this dude one more chance since he did so good for us. Catch us that bluegill. Let it drop just a little bit. Changing them out. Bring it back. We're gonna go with the Bobby Garland Pan Minnow 1. Don't have a color name to it, but it's orange and green, chartreuse, speckle, something other. That's what we're going with. So let's get on the water. All right. Let's see what the Bobby Garland can do for us today. Guess that's about a 2-inch. So. Oh. Well, something struck at us. That's the second nibble we got, but we ain't committing to him. Come on, Bobby. Gotta do better and get me nibbles. Gotta make him want to. Oh, he did bite it. He took the tail off of it. Well, took the tail off my little swimmy deal. See if he still swims. Maybe that fish wants the rest of it. He ain't got no tail, but he still jigs around pretty good, so we're gonna leave him on there for the rest of the minute. Uh-oh. There we go. Got him that time. Got him that time. Come here. Whoa. Where's the string? There we go. Got him that time. There he is. Yeah, hold on. Let me get you unhooked. How'd you wrap it around yourself? Oh. Okay. Well, you got a mouthful of crap. Get you by the lip. You are a particularly slimy fish. Look at you. Another little bluegill, I think. Picture time. Smile for the camera. All right. This is 2 of these for the day. Thank you for playing. All right. Well, that was fun. Caught that dude on a worm or a swimmer that don't got no tail. Let's look at him. See if it's time to change him out. Yeah, we just gonna keep throwing this thing for now. Anywho, I don't know if y'all can see the bait out there on the end of my line though. He ain't got no tail at all anymore. So might be about time to change him out. I mean, he still bobs and weaves all over the place, so we might go with the different colors too, just to see if there's a difference. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change him out. Hang on, I'll bring y'all back. All right, guys. Here's what we're going with. It's a Bobby Garland. It's a pan minnow. Don't have a color on it. It's a blue and blue fleck with a white bottom. Might look like a fish that's in there. So let's give this a whirl. And well, just see what happens. Plenty of folks out here fishing today. I had one kid walk past me. He lost his hook on the bobber on the dock over there. That's when he heard me say, uh-oh. That makes it into this video. It definitely looks fishy, swimming through the water. Oh, I think here in a minute we're gonna go over there and sit on the rock. Well, I like that rock. When I put my pad on it, it's nice and comfortable. Don't freak out if you don't see me bass fishing a lot, because I still bass fish. First fish we caught today was a bass, and it was on my Lew's classic speed stick and classic speed spool. But this is fun. We're just gonna, I enjoy doing it. And I'm hoping you enjoy watching me catch fish, although that's not really what it's about. You can feel more than welcome to leave me comments about what it is you think I could do different and catch more fish. And we're back. We moved down here to the old rock. We're gonna try this for a little bit. All right, there we go. Well, that's the thing, we just in the wrong spot. We just in the wrong spot. Come here. Whoa, come here. We just in the wrong spot. All right now. There you go, folks. We first cast after the move. Looky there. Appreciate it, folks. Thank you for the kind words. Yes. Got this here. I think that's still a bluegill. So, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for playing. Alrighty. Let's look at our bait. See what it looks like. Oh, that looks good still. Looking pretty good. Got to get the line untangled. There we go. We all know what this means. Time to send the wipe a picture. I don't know what happened. I was filming and I guess I wasn't. I don't know. But now it's raining. So I got to call it for today, or for now anyway. Maybe it'll sprinkle a little bit and quit. We can get back to it, but I can't get my phone wet because it ain't waterproof. So we will see you guys either in a little bit, or we'll see y'all later. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you see all them shorts, all them videos. Follow us over on Instagram and Facebook, Paul Goes Outdoors. We'll see you guys later.